Hey guys, welcome to the Feathered Heart. Today I'm going to show you how I made this belt and hip armor for my Dragon Master costume in part 3 of the series. To make my belt, I used a double-sided strip of vinyl and made a cutout on the end in order to attach to the buckle. If you would like to see how I created the strip of double vinyl to create the faux leather belt look, please check out my video above or in the description box below for part 2 in the series, which will show you how I create my double-sided vinyl. Then you want to paint your belt the color that you choose. The first layer will look light like this, but a second layer should cover it up completely. Then you want to seal it up with 1 to 2 coats of Mod Podge. It will dry to a clear finish. Next, you want to go ahead and attach your buckle and hot glue the 2 straps on the underside. Then I took another strip of vinyl, single-sided, that was the same length as my other belt, but wider. I painted it and then hemmed it on the top and the bottom. Next, to start creating the hip armor pieces, I drew out the design that I wanted, very roughly. And then of course I cut it out and traced it onto my foam sheet. Then I of course cut out the design out of the foam and repeated the process 3 more times to create 2 pieces for each hip. The color of the foam does not matter because you will paint it black on the underside and attach the dragon skin on the top like I did here. Then I laid out all my pieces, decided what colors I would like them to be, and then I painted them to match the previous armor colors. Then I hot glued the pieces together to create the layered look. Once I had them in place, I then trimmed all the pieces that were showing and trimmed the top as well. Then you want to go back in and paint your visible white areas black. Then I created 4 strips of vinyl and painted them the color that I wanted and hot glued them in place to create where the belt will slide through the hip armor. Once they were temporarily tacked down with the hot glue, I then went in and created my rivet detail, which again, you can check that out in part 2 of the series when I made the armored cuff and showed you how to attach the rivets. And here is one side of the completed slide-on part for the hip armor. And here is the finished look. If you liked this video and have enjoyed the series, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. I post new videos on Tuesdays, so be sure to ring the bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload. See you in the next video.